हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग इंग्लिश में क्लास 8 के द अर्थ एंड आवर लाइफ्स बुक से टॉपिक रिसोर्सेज पे टीचिंग प्लान बनाना सीखेंगे। सबसे ऊपर टीचिंग प्लान लिखेंगे, फिर डेट, क्लास, सब्जेक्ट, ड्यूरेशन। क्लास 8 द अर्थ एंड आवर लाइफ सब्जेक्ट, ड्यूरेशन 15 minutes। लर्निंग आउटकम, students can list the various resources. Students can share the information regarding sustainable development with each other. Topic resources. Required materials TLM, Diksha app, poster. Teaching learning process. Serial number, steps, expected time, method of assessment. ये कॉलम बनेगा। First step in the beginning of teaching. Teacher starts the teaching by asking following questions. Name the things you see around you. From where do we get water and food? Do you know what these things are called? Do you know who made these things? 5-minute time. Observation and question and answer, method of assessment. So students, today we are going to know all the answers in the chapter resources. Be in the mid of the teaching. In the mid of the teaching, resources are all the things that have been used by us and all those objects which have the capacity to fulfill our requirements. In this way, teacher explains the things used by us. Expected time 35 minutes. Method of assessment, observation. Activity 1. Teacher divides the class in 3 groups, naming them as natural resources, human-made resources, human resources. Students of particular group will write the name of the things which come under that particular group. After completing the task, teacher will make the chart on board and will classify the things which comes under those groups. The teacher explains renewable and non-renewable resources, ubiquitous and localized resources, and the concept of sustainable development. The teacher also shows the video of related chapter on Diksha app and asks the questions on it. Here I have made the chart of resources: natural resources, human-made resources, human resources. Natural resources: water, sunlight, water, minerals, forest. Human-made resources: house, road, bridge, school, hospital, machines, stamps, factories, etc. Human resources: factory workers, teachers, managers, farmers, doctors, soldiers, etc. In the end of the teaching, teacher helps the students in searching the answers of the questions given in the exercise. Teacher also checks the previous homework. Teacher writes important points on the blackboard. Time 10 minutes. Observation method. Method of assessment. 5-point homework assignment. Teacher assigns group of students to make a plan on the conservation of various resources. Students will prepare a chart of natural and man-made resources available in their surroundings. 6th point, teacher's next teaching plan. Teacher will teach this plan in 2 or 3 classes. Teacher will make plans on the basis of problems comes in the class while teaching. Teacher's next teaching plan. Teacher will teach this plan in 2 or 3 classes. Teacher will make plans on the basis of problems comes in the class while teaching. इस तरह से हम लोग सब्जेक्ट द अर्थ एंड आवर लाइफ क्लास 8 टॉपिक रिसोर्सेज का टीचिंग प्लान बनाएंगे इंग्लिश मीडियम के लिए।